In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a frame for a page in Microsoft Word. If you want to add a simple frame around a page in Microsoft Word, you can use the Page Borders feature. A page frame can make a document look more organized and professional, and it can be useful for certificates, invitations, reports, worksheets, and other types of documents. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to create the page frame. Once the document is open, go to the Design tab at the top of Microsoft Word. In the Page Background section, look for the Page Borders option and click it. This will open the Borders and Shading dialog box. In the Borders and Shading window, make sure you are on the Page Border tab. Under the Settings section, select Box. This will create a simple rectangular frame around the page. Next, choose the style of the frame from the Style section. You can select a simple solid line or another available line style, depending on the appearance you want. You can also choose a color for the frame. Click the Color option and select the color you want to use. Next, you can adjust the width of the frame. Use the Width option to choose how thin or thick you want the border line to appear. If you want a more decorative frame, you can also use the Art option. This provides different decorative designs that can be used around the page. Before applying the frame, look at the preview on the right side of the window. This allows you to see how the frame will appear around your page. Under Apply To, choose whether you want the frame to appear on the entire document or only on a specific section. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click OK. Microsoft Word will now add the frame around your page. Take a moment to review the document and make sure the frame is positioned correctly on all four sides. If you want to make changes, simply return to the Page Borders option and adjust the style, color, width, or other settings. You can also use the same feature to create different styles of page frames. A simple line works well for professional documents, while a decorative design can be useful for certificates, invitations, or special projects. And that's how you can create a frame for a page in Microsoft Word using the Page Borders feature. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,